What happens if you refill an ink cartridge with an ink of different color? Let's try to refill a black cartridge with red ink. We obtain the red color mixing yellow and magenta ink. Using more magenta or more yellow gives a different shade of red. We have to remove and clean the internal sponge of the cartridge, or the result probably will be a strange grey-purple color. Even in an empty cartridge, the sponge still contains a small quantity of ink, enough to make a mess. Wash the sponge with water. Dry the sponge. Reinstall the sponge into the cartridge. Now we are ready to refill it. I make some cleaning of the printhead. I need to remove the black ink left inside the nozzle. The cleaning procedure consumes a lot of ink, so it's okay. I'll print this sheet. It's black, it should be printed in red. I start to print. Okay, the printer prints red instead of black. Not a great red, probably there would have been the need of more cleanings. The printer only detects if there is an ink, and it's not important which color is it. Okay, it was funny. Thank you for the attention.